Today we're fixing a Pixel 5a 5G. This screen is totally dead. First we have to heat it up and remove the screen from the frame. I also use some isopropyl alcohol to help that process. Then we remove the damaged screen and clean the frame, transfer the camera bracket, and install new adhesive. I had to use a few different widths of adhesive here. Now we can install and test the new screen and put everything back together. Of course, we're going to add a Protection Pro screen protector because this is one smart customer. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and follow.